Hi everyone, Scott and Amy Sharkey.
Hi.
And we've been busy with our own projects now and getting our storefront looking nice, finally. So we just want to take you along and show you what we're doing. And we're starting with this big thing. This is a cedar tree that Amy found in the swamp and decided we absolutely had to drag this home.
Actually, I found a bigger one.
Yeah, I know. No. This will be just fine, right? So we have 3 hanging baskets up on top. It's an upside down cedar tree, so you can see the roots are at the top, and we put 3 hanging baskets.
Let me flip this around.
It is big.
Talk really loud.
So it's pretty big, and I don't know, 8-9 feet, and I've got about 3 feet down in the ground so it doesn't tip over. And we're just beautifying our yard. So that's one of our little highlights. We've got a bunch of these pots here, and we've got just a collection of different assortments of flowers. And Amy went through and she designed all these. I just planted.
And they'll all fill out really nice. It's just that they're just started. Here's a little tripod.
With portulaca or moss rose in it.
Because that's really, really shallow. And so they can tolerate that high heat and the lack of moisture.
This area is really kind of a shade area. So we went with all of our shade plants. We love the Rex begonias, the fuchsias. Look at the coloration in some of the leaves. We absolutely love these. Some of the Rex begonias do get a flower. It's just a little delicate flower. We have angel wing begonias and the Browelia, the Homilus begonia. So this gets a little more shade. The hanging baskets that we have should be for full sun, but they actually do really, really well. So we have petunias, we have verbena, we have the osteospermum. That's actually a new one that we're trying this year. This is another, just a collection of amaranthus. So this gets that real long flower that trails down. Petunias, fan flower, one of my favorites, the osteospermum and that. And then if we come along here, we have some great big troughs. So we found these great big water troughs. They're galvanized steel, and they are absolutely stunning for making flower planters. So there's just a whole collection of flowers in there. And we really wanted to focus on some of the pollinator. So the salvia, we have Kufia in here. What else do we have for the pollinators?
There's the Kufia.
Yeah, the Angelonia. Of course, the petunias, the hummingbirds love the petunias.
I can't wait for this to all fill out.
Yeah, it gets big.
And then we want to show you our project of the day, which we'll be doing a video on. Look at the truck. Isn't it so pretty? So the truck is an old truck that we purchased.
1950 Dodge.
And in the back of it, we got these really heavy duty, I think they're
actually Rubbermaid. They're 50-gallon Rubbermaid containers. And so that's where we're going to fill it up and do a video specifically just on doing these and what we're going to do.
And so the back of the truck will be all filled with flowers to kind of go with the front of the yard. So a little teaser, we're going to do that in a separate video, probably not a live, to show exactly how we're planting it and what we're doing with it. So
be sure to watch for that video coming up next.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us. See ya.